Hello guys! Today we're recording this one for the first time ever. I've been playing this game for a long time, but this is just the first time I recorded it, yeah. I'm saving up for, I believe, the Elite and Red Blue Guard. I have 2 million out of 5 million honey. And I have 25 bees. And I got a gold egg, which I will not hatch because I know there's a honey mask. Ooh, make honey? Maybe not. But as you can see, I don't have a face cam. That's because I love recording games. I like recording me playing without my face. It just makes me feel more comfortable, honestly. Anyways, I'm going to go to the mountaintop. I'm gonna acquire the freaking red cannon. Cannon ito. And what do we yeah. Oh my gosh, this guy is having a freaking sprout party. Where the hell is he? What the? He's right here? He's having a freaking sprout party, bro. You better invite me to this freaking sprout party or else I'm gonna kill you. Oh, sorry for the farting sound. It's just kind of like my habit. But that's not an actual fart. It's just me. It's just my mouth sounding like a fart. Anyways, I'm just gonna collect the honey. Still out there. Just kidding. Oh my gosh, this guy's spamming his freaking, what are those things again? Honeysuckles, yeah. He's spamming his freaking honeysuckles. What the hell? By the way, I'm on my main account that No, actually, this is my password account. Because my actual main account where I played Bee Swarm on is now on my little bro. So, my alt account, this account, which was once my alt account, became my main because I don't have any other accounts. The other two accounts I have is just grinding accounts. And they're just made for something. My other account is for find the game. And my other account is for grinding, you know, games with all the restrictions. Will I like all these bombs? Yeah, I'm just trading on my old account now. I suck! I can't let my little boot slide like that. Bro has a gummy boot. Oh my gosh. I accidentally exposed that I am Filipino. Yes, I am Filipino. I just know a lot of people. That's how I'm able to do these things. I'm really that fluent. I guess you could say an American isn't that fluent too? Even though they literally speak English. Wait, what am I meant to get? Oh yeah, the boots? No. Bad memory. It's the guard, yeah. The Elite Blue Guard and the Red Blue Guard. What am I saying? Yeah, this isn't normal English at all. The Elite Red Guard and the Elite Blue Guard. Mouse and notification. Sorry for that again. god. Accidentally cooking it. Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh, it's this gummy bee is pooping now. This gummy bee is pooping! My gummy bee is gonna take a good shit. Anyways, we're close to 3 million yet? 3 million. 3 million. And then we just need 2 million from that. Oh, yes, honey. Honey and money, they're my buddies. Oh my gosh, I really do. Yet again. Yay! Someone got the badge. Oh, did I? Oh, there's my sprinkler. Even speaking. Oh, sorry, so sorry, I'm so sorry. I wanted to press the Roblox thingy on the top corner. Yeah, I tried to open the tab, but it ended up muting my mic. So sorry for the inconvenience. Bro, stop giving me white bombs. I need freaking red bombs and blue bombs. This field is classified as a colorless field. Oh no, it spoke. Yeah, I really should go back to my fit. But it's more quiet here. Recording. That's just my guys. Oh my gosh, I almost pressed the mic off button again. I almost said another sorry for the inconvenience. Bro, when will my honey bag? Oh wait, I really should be doing quest. Hang on. What quests do I have? Pineapple field, which is literally our neighbor. Gosh, oh, there it is. Yay! Oh yeah. Not much. What? Yo, honeysuckle. Yes! Okay, bye guys. I have to end the video. I have to eat mangoes. Mangoes. Okay, why am I bringing back that name? Anyways, bye. Peace out.